Replacing timing belt on Ryobi 4-cycle string trimmer model RY34445. How are timing marks aligned for correct valve timing?
I'll do all I can to help. How long have you been dealing with this?
Several months.
Do you plan on doing the work yourself?
Yes, I have the new belt. Just need to know how to set the timing.
Anything else we should know to help you best?
Where is timing mark on crankshaft? T-found mark on the camshaft spockrt.
Welcome to Just Answer Small Engines. Let me try to help you. I don't know it all, but maybe together we can get you a satisfactory answer. I don't do trimmers, but online are instructions. Turn the piston to top dead center, crank gear to mark, slip on the belt. See link below, pick out one. https://www.google.com/search Q equals Ryobi plus Ry34445 plus timing plus mark and RLZ equals 1C1CHCL underscore ENIS 757 as 757 and TBM equals ish and PO equals U and source equals univance equals X and VED equals 20 Kujri 4 BRQ MNC Ostakilkmid 3 Axer 6 Bag DE and BI equals 864 and B equals 492.
Thank you for the information. Could not find it by myself.
Thank you.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert now, visit justanswer.com/YTHI.